Discover how TikTok has revolutionized e-commerce, captivating users with its engaging short-form videos. With more than 1 billion active users, TikTok is reshaping marketing for businesses of all kinds. Creative, humorous, and entertaining, TikTok has quickly evolved into a vital marketing channel for brands. The platform's unique production format appeals to younger audiences, making it a must for marketers today. TikTok Shop empowers businesses to reach and connect with younger consumers authentically and effectively. With its algorithm, TikTok grants videos the potential to go viral, unlocking vast audience engagement. Understanding TikTok marketing can unlock creative possibilities for your brand's online presence and sales. TikTok allows users to create and share captivating videos between 15 to 60 seconds long, sparking interest. The For You page uniquely promotes user-generated content, amplifying engagement for businesses striving to succeed. TikTok for Business equips brands with tools to create, develop, and manage marketing campaigns seamlessly. Analyzing your current audience on TikTok provides insights that can help shape your marketing strategy. Conduct surveys to gather direct feedback from your viewers and further refine your TikTok content. Researching competitors reveals valuable insights into successful content strategies and audience engagement techniques. Collaborating with influencers can drastically improve your reach on TikTok by tapping into their engaged audience. Setting concrete goals for your TikTok marketing is essential for tracking your progress and success. Engaging content is at the heart of successful TikTok campaigns, drawing viewers into the narrative you create. Authenticity thrives on TikTok. Showcase your brand's personality using everyday tools, like your smartphone. Familiarize yourself with TikTok's spec guidelines for images and videos to ensure optimal engagement. Explore a range of TikTok ad formats to maximize visibility and engagement with your target audience. Influencer partnerships can tremendously amplify your brand's voice on TikTok, leading to authentic audience interactions. Cultivating interaction within the TikTok community builds trust and loyalty, enhancing brand credibility over time. Measuring results regularly is crucial for refining your TikTok strategy based on real-time analytics. Successful brands on TikTok stand out with creativity, humor, and authentic engagement with their audiences. Ocean Spray's viral #Dreams challenge illustrates how authenticity can propel a brand's visibility and engagement. Elf Cosmetics leveraged catchy music to make their #Eyes Lips Face campaign remarkably memorable and shareable. Fenty Beauty's success with #Fenty Skin shows the power of celebrity influence in product marketing. Chipotle's #Guac Dance showcases how humor and trending sounds can resonate with audiences effectively. Gymshark utilized community-focused challenges to capture user engagement and foster brand loyalty on TikTok. TikTok's potential for video marketing extends beyond engagement, it also drives real sales conversions for brands. Monitor industry trends to craft relatable content that resonates with TikTok users and generates buzz. Embrace humor and creativity, this not only entertains but also strengthens your brand's presence on the platform. To succeed on TikTok, always remember to balance fun content with clear calls to action that engage users.